Tappy activated. I hope you've cleared some space on your memory boards. That's how you create an NFT. First, you gotta connect your wallet. To do it, go to your chosen marketplace, sign in, and go through a few authorization steps. The next step, unlocked. Generate your NFT. Upload your file to your chosen marketplace. Then fill in details like the name, description, image size, metadata, and so on. Make sure to select the blockchain where your NFT will be stored. Then hit Create. List your NFT for sale. Now that your NFT is minted, you're ready to sell it. Set your price and click Sell. Depending on your blockchain, there may be a small transaction fee to finalize the sale. Selling an NFT usually just transfers the ownership rights, but you keep your intellectual property rights. The NFT itself holds a unique certificate, so only one person can own it at a time. Most marketplaces let you choose whether or not to transfer copyright with the sale. Many marketplaces offer royalties, so you'll get a percentage every time your NFT is resold. It typically ranges between 5 and 50%. That's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe. Tappy deactivated.